Would you like to know how to build positive parent child relationships? How to customize parenting to each of your children? Would you like to parent in such a way that's building resilient, secure children? I can help you to be able to be more in tune with yourself and your children to build or rebuild a healthier parent-child relationship. If you would like any of this, then connect with me. I have an 8-week virtual positive parenting workshop that is going to be able to help you on your parenting journey to be able to build these healthy relationships, to be able to love on your children with their love language in mind. It's going to help you to understand attachment styles, parenting styles. It's going to help us to dig deep to be able to have exactly what we need in our home, at least the tools to be able to have healthy relationships in our home, and providing your children with the tools to have this for themselves as well. Connect with me soon, and we can definitely start this journey together. You'll also receive consulting calls within your package for this 8-week program.